Welcome to Chain of Thoughts channel, and today I'm going to review the agent builder that OpenAI just went public with. So, this is the first time that I'm here, so let's just tackle things down and try to create a workflow here. I'll just pick the create, and let's do something cool. Let's do an agent that is researching and enriching a lead based on web search. So let's call that lead enrichment. You are a helpful assistant. Your job is to enrich the leads you are getting. Oops, typo. You need to find the relevant C-level executives on the company, the sector of the company, and the number of employees. Let's stick with that. We'll pick a model, let's say 4.1. Output format, let's pick text. And of course, before we forget, let's attach the web search. So no, we don't want to limit anything here. Add. Let's see if there is anything else we want to add. So file search, function, not at the moment. Okay, we have the temperature of the tool choice. Okay, let's keep it stable. Max tokens, top P. Okay, show less, and well, let's try what we've built so far. Let's click preview and let's look for let's see. Okay, sector, number of employees, Wikipedia list out 3,000 employees, SK magazine, given the variation of reported numbers, seems fair, yeah. Yeah, that seems right. Alright, that was pretty cool. It was like, I believe, 3 minutes setup, so okay, let's try to complicate things a little bit. Okay, so we'll do like an if statement, and let's say output text. No. Okay, I know. Let's just change it to JSON, and then let's add the schema. So we'll have like the C-levels, and this will be an array, and array items will be objects containing role and name, and we'll have the sector And what was the last thing we had? Number of employees. Okay, that will be number and update. Now, before we are connecting that, let's test. So let's do something else like NVIDIA. Okay, CEO Jensen Han. Okay, seems nice. Sector, number of employees. Okay, that seems nice. So I'll just close the preview, and now we can connect the if else. So let's do that. Number of employees is shouldn't be that greater than, let's say, 10,000. Company is more than okay. Let's just drag everything over here, and didn't mean to do that, so let's stick with that here. And okay, then if the company has more than 10,000 employees, let's just run another agent, and this agent will be research top 10 customers. Okay, your job is to research the top 10 customers of the given company. Again, we'll use the web search here without limitation, and we'll use the JSON and add schema, add property. This will be an array of customers and array item string. Yeah, those will be the customers. All right, let's just connect it here, and then you just end, otherwise you end as well. Okay, let's try the configuration one more time. So this time let's go Salesforce. Okay, you can see it processing. Then research top 10 customers. Okay, he's looking for the sec filling. That looks promising. Aren't strong enough for top customers. Okay, this is a tricky question. So this information is basically shouldn't be public, but let's see what he'll do. Noticing companies like T-Mobile, US Bank, and American Express. Okay, let's see. Let's give him one more minute. Reasoning. Okay, that was a really tricky one. So I don't think he will be able to generate something out of that, because every time in the reasoning, it doesn't seem like a fair question. There it is. Okay, so it did go through, it went through, and those are the top 10 customers. I won't rely on that because this is not public information, but this is just a gathering through the top results. Okay, but this is interesting, and all this done in a few minutes. If I'm comparing this to let's say n8n, then there are a lot of missing tools here, so I want to connect and like send emails or other stuff. So let's see what else do I have here. Maybe the MCP will help me. Let's take the MCP. Nice. Invoke a model context protocol tool. Alright. Let's pick one. Nice. Alright. Now I think I got it. Okay, this is pretty nice. I'm not going to connect any MCP now, but it's nice that you have those connections. Let's see if they have something like API calls. What is the code? No. Well, I don't see anything like that right now. But hey, we have the user in the loop. So user approval, name user approval, then describe the message to show. Okay, that's nice. We don't need it in that process, but it's nice to know that they have it there. And we also have nodes, so this is a lead enrichment process. So yes, this is nice. See, they have guardrails and file search. Not very relevant to our scenario. Okay. Then we always have the evaluate. Evaluate traces for new workflow. So yes, we can see what consumed most time and probably resources. Alright. Okay. I think that sums that up. It's a nice tool, the Agent Builder. I think it should have more API connections so I can use it, like connecting many other systems, but it's very, very easy to use. With the capabilities of OpenAI, connecting the LLM action everywhere and using the MCP, it can be very, very powerful. With the guardrails, I believe it can be even very, very strict to the scenario that we need. And we didn't touch the file search and the transform and the set state and while loops. Those are tools that we can use and build powerful workflows, but for now I'm just missing the system connection. So until next time, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and follow our channel